What's up, everyone? Sonic here. Welcome to... If you notice anything different, there's an app called the Screencast that I got, and I can now record my things on here. So now we're gonna watch something requested by a subscriber of mine named Victoria Chase called Ghetto, Peppa Pig. Here we go. Let's get into this.
Peppa and George love chocolate cake mixture.
I am disgusted.
Run as fast as they can.
Taser tag! Run, bitch! The fuck you run, nigga, bitch!
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig are going to babysit.
You're not my dad! You also hear something! God!
What you say? Whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
Can we go and see Mr. Potato?
You know where you can go. The fuck to sleep.
Oh my god.
Trey, I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well, I'm a point guard. I got shoe game and everything.
Of course,
He does have shoes.
Yes?
Is y'all niggas hiring?
Y'all need to stop.
Bitches be thinking they too motherfucking hard trying to announce. When I see you, I'ma fuck you up. Bitch, fuck me up. Please.
Wow. Whoa, I really don't care.
I'm making cookies. Would you like to lick?
These nuts?
No,
Got
thank
it.
you, Mummy. Hello, Susie.
What's 9 plus 10? 19. What's bitch plus bitch? Bitch!
Oh, dang. 50 Shades of Grey.
No, Mummy. When I closed my eyes, I couldn't see anything.
Bitch, is you blind?
Thank
And
you.
I said, ooh, you a fat ass bitch. That's what I said for real.
What music are you into? I like this.
With my fat ass pig bitches in a club.
What you say? Whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe. Let's sing it together! Sunday morning and I'm horny on.
Can I have a go?
Patricia! Honey, can you be
Oh my, I remember the Patricia one I did.
I like this.
Patricia! Oh my god, I just
Peppa?
yelled. Warning
If you
headphone
jump in
users.
muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Hey guys, it's Nicole. I'm just outside filming today because it's snowing, so I thought I'd make it more interesting.
Stop. Wait a minute. Heat the oven, put the juice in it. This is that Auschwitz, that
Oh my
Hello,
god, you really just...
Susie.
Love you. And I miss you.
Shit, here I go like mystical. Bitch, you bad, bitch, you built like a testicle. Pussy.
The buses are nasty. Along periodically timed.
Let's play hide and seek.
Let's put my foot up your ass. Will that work? That work for you?
Daddy Pig speaking.
You're not my dad. You also hear something. Ugly ass fucking.
What is your talent, Rebecca?
I can make a special noise. Hello, Susie.
Hi, my name is Trey. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Well,
Bye, Trey.
Who is this on my phone? Girl,
Stop the engine.
what's he saying?
Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. 10, 10, 10, 20s on your
Stop.
titties, bitch.
I don't have to exercise. I'm naturally fit.
You literally look like a seal, so it's kind of hard to take you serious.
Oh
my god. The cable turned off. Sure, that's like the nigga dick for furry. Oh my god. The lights off.
What music are you into? I like this.
With my fat ass pig bitches in a club.
Bedtime.
Hurry y'all ass up. For somebody go night-night, nigga. Wanna go night? Chama o bombeiro. I'm planting these seeds.
Smoke weed every day.
Hello, Susie.
Bye, Iggy.
Bitch, you better hand me the motherfucking baton.
Down! Alright, well, that's the end of today's reaction, and this is... Alright, also, I just want to say, this is also the premiere... Actually, not the premiere. Actually, this will be the final episode of Sonic High School's Reaction Season 1. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in Season 2.